guys, welcome to my channel Skills from Scratch. So today we are going to learn about the Excel interface, which means the basic introduction of a Excel workbook. So let's begin with the definition. Excel is a tool used to store, calculate and analyze the data. So it is a beginner tool. Before learning any other tools like SQL, Power BI, we have to master Excel. Then only we will be able to perform other operations. So Excel helps the data analyst to clean, calculate, visualize and analyze the data. So the entire screen of an Excel is called as a workbook. For example, if you want to save an image, you will be saving it by using an extension as PNG or JPG. In the same way, if you want to save an Excel file, you have to use .xlsx. So in Excel workbook, we have worksheets. Below we can just add by clicking a plus icon. We can add number of worksheets according to our choice, and also we can just rename them by double clicking on it or else by right clicking on that. So the horizontal lines are called as rows and the vertical lines are called as columns. So the intersection of a row and a column is called as a cell. And the cell reference and cell address means it shows where the data is located. In simple words, column letter plus row number. For example, just like B5 or H13 or J15 in this way. So let me show you the Excel screen. So this is how the Excel screen looks like. So here we have this entire screen is called as an Excel workbook. So here we have sheets. We can just add sheets by clicking plus icon, and also we can just rename them by double clicking on it, or else you can directly right click on that. You can just right click on this, so we will be getting an option delete, rename. We can just rename according to our choice. So these horizontal lines are called as rows and these vertical lines are called as columns. And we have these small boxes. These are usually called as cell. So the cell address means wherever I am pointing this cursor, which means wherever the data is located, if I am pointing this cursor, this box, so we'll be getting a cell address, which means C2. Here you can see the cell address, which is C2. Okay, and we do have more options like file, home, insert, drop, page layout, formulas. Here we have other operations, and we do have this formula bar where we can write the formula. Yep, this is how actually the Excel screen looks like. So this is the basic introduction of an Excel. So of an Excel interface, and see you in another video, and please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye.